Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with prerequisites and the first actionable steps. Confirm your Windows 10 build and locate a matching install image because mismatched source files fail. Once done, enable Net 3. 5 in Control Panel. If that fails, mount your Windows ISO and note the drive letter. Now open an elevated command prompt because the next commands require administrator rights, and you will use the image as a reliable source to force a proper repair. You now execute the core repair. Use DISM with your mounted image as the source because DISM applies the package directly and avoids store downloads. If DISM returns errors, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to fix corrupted files that block installation. Once SFC completes, repeat the DISM command, making sure to replace the D path with your mount letter. Also, inspect logs for error codes so you know whether to retry or switch sources, and move on only after a successful install. You finalize the fix by rebooting and confirming. NET Framework 3.5 shows enabled because a restart completes component registration. If it still fails, remove any recent Windows updates that caused conflicts. Make sure to note KB numbers first. If problems persist, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and reset update components, stop services, rename software distribution, then restart services, because update corruption often blocks feature installs. One key tip: when errors repeat, capture the DISM error code and search logs before repeating commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.